Hi friends, this video shows how to enable or disable USB debugging mode. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner, go to system, go to about, go down, set Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button or set button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Go to system. Under system you can find new option called developer options. Select it. These are a list of developer options. From this list let me find USB debugging. See, let me enable it. Done. This way we can enable USB debugging mode. If you want to disable, you can disable here. Let me go to top. Here we can disable developer options. I recommend to disable developer options after the use because of security issues. Let me disable. Done. Go back. See, now under system it's not showing developer options because I have disabled. This way we can enable or disable USB debugging and developer options. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.